Neti Babu,
Sir.
you know what is happening today in the country?
Yes.
Promiscuity.
Yes.
Promiscuity is the big word, buzzword today in the country. Okay?
Yes.
Among all the 180 countries of the world, India is a superfine country.
Yes.
Okay? But what is happening? Let us see. The topic for today's discussion is liberalization in Indian bedrooms. Okay?
Yes.
Today, Bobby, today what is happening? Just listen.
Oh.
See, through so many surveys, so many sexologists, so many physicians, so many surgeons, so many dietitians, so many beauticians, all of them interviewed so many girls, so many boys, the teenagers, youngsters in the country. Okay. So what happened in those surveys? I am telling you now. Okay. Promiscuity seems to be happening in India. You know that? Promiscuity. Love and understanding are the two words to be understood, acknowledged by legally wedded couple. Dance, booze, drugs are used in Indian parties today. Filmmaker Mahesh Bhatt advised his actress daughter Pooja Bhatt against getting pregnant. See how it is? Openly, Mahesh Bhatt advised his daughter Pooja Bhatt, who is an actress in Indian films, don't become pregnant. That means he is allowing his daughter to go, but she should not become pregnant. And further, what he says, this bit of advice to be given to all daughters by their parents. That is what Mahesh Bhatt said openly. Openly he said. So Mahesh Bhatt says the parents have to give a bit of advice to their young daughters. That is what Mahesh Bhatt openly said.
Yes.
It is publicly known to all people, all newspapers carried. Men and women feel that an unbroken hymen was a necessary proof of virginity. Hymen should not be cut, should not be absent in the girls.
Yes.
That is the proof for virginity men and women felt. Okay? Metro India slowly entered to liberalization in sexual relations. Lesbian, gay causes are the rampant today. Sex seems no longer sacred nor taboo. Promiscuous and adulterous persons are sexually liberated. Sex before marriage or even outside of it is no aberration today. It is no aberration. By age 20, girls talk about exciting sexual encounters. By age 20, girls talk about exciting sexual encounters. Girls say promiscuity is a nonsense in today's world. Two persons by mutual consent involved in sex is no objection at all. Sexless marriages are no use. Some guys feel legitimate sex is boring. What they feel? Boring. Youngsters are keen on becoming sexually active and are waiting for the right partner. Maximize pleasure is the new motto of the youngsters. Sexual values changed immensely for the urban Indian. Sex is now
Good.
a part of a package in interpersonal relationships. Okay?
Yes.
Today sex is a permissive feeling among the youth.
Yes.
Virginity is ceasing to be a moral indicator. Live-in relationships and divorces are no more social shockers.
Yes.
A survey reveals 33% indulged in sex before wedlock and they had over 4 sexual partners on an average. 4 sexual partners on an average. Sex before marriage is commonplace in India today. Some persons confess to having had premarital sex and extramarital affairs. See how it is. How the transformation is going on in sexual relations among the youth in the country. Okay. Even spinsters agree that they are not virgins at age 32. Even spinsters.
Yes.
Some women having extramarital affairs with men younger than themselves said it is not a sin. See how fast it is. Alienation, boredom, and desperate sensation is pushing urbanite into affairs. Each generation is more liberal than the previous one. Relationships have taken a back seat and promiscuity followed. Divorce is no longer a deviant. People flirting from one person to another. The whole business is about treating sexuality as just another experience like going to different restaurants.
Yes.
Sex was a sublime science in the Vedas. Today it has become an appendage of the degenerate culture. Degenerate culture. Finally, sexual attitudes will divide society more than any ideology. The liberal and the conservative will coexist in India. Globalization, liberalization, and privatization are taking place in the markets, in the minds, and in the bedrooms. Female of most species has been more sexually reserved than the male. Curiosities such as male lust and female coyness, love and jealousy, fidelity and infidelity by people themselves. Father keeps looking after his lawful child. Women don't advertise ovulation. Fact it is. Women are more likely to commit infidelity around ovulation. Cuckoldry has not been rampant. However, cuckoldry has not been rampant. With this permissive feeling of men and women, premarital sex is ingrained in India.
Yes.
So, this speech, how I could give so many surveys undertook by different personalities, the sexologists, the women activists, so many of them they undertook different surveys. Not now, it is done 20 years back.
Yes.
So now to YouTube users, YouTube viewers, I have given this lecture That is, sex is not a taboo today. Exactly. Sex is not a taboo today. It is a permissive feeling. Hyderabad Hariprasad and Neti Bobby signing off.